Hi guys, that's Dorota Nail, international nail artist and educator here, and today I have prepared a video which you have asked me to do. So here it is, a French manicure with the cat eye. Have a preview of it in here. I will show you step by step how to achieve that look, and also if you've got any other requests, just put them down below in the comments section and I will be very happy to produce those videos for you. So let's start. Cat eye French, you guys asked me about this design and that's what I will recreate. So we need to paint the tips first of all 183, which is a black ink. Let me just clean the fluffy bits and pieces so we don't get many in the video. And then apply the black. This black is awesome, one coat is perfect. When you're applying a black, always make sure you apply it really nice and thin. You don't want to be applying it too thick. Gosh, this is quite large tip. But I think it will be nice to show you the design on different sizes. Let's cook it. And then do the same on this one. It's actually fun to do those nails. And they will look awesome in different colors as well. I have choose the pink and the orange one. And then do another one. You can see it how I'm working through my black because I really don't want too much product in there. Okay, that's me happy with it. So prepare the cat eye. And the colors I have choose for this design is 02 and 04. So the first tip is absolutely ready. And we are going to apply this orangey one on this side of the nail. So just halfway. You don't have to apply it right to the end because we are going to do this French manicure. And then the other color we apply on this side. I'm applying actually quite a nice, decent size of it, and then using the ombre brush we are going to blend it. So I'm just cleaning excess of the gel from my brush and then just gently blend it. Giving those blend, we've got a nice ombre shape, and also we're prolonging the part which we will be using for a French manicure. Using the gel brush, you can clean up the smile line a little bit. I'm never bothered to do it at perfect, just kind of rough idea where my smile line is, so it's easier later on to paint. And then using the magnet, we are going to achieve those cat eye effects. So I'm pushing the magnet on each side to intensify the effect. Okay, so get it really nice and strong. Good. Okay, I'm happy with this one, so give it a cure. And then pick up another tip. Do exactly the same. So one side and the other side. take a brush and blend it. Clear up the smile line. You can also see it the way I'm applying it. We almost indicate the smile line shape anyway. And then let's push it from the bottom, from the side, from the other side. Oh, that's... And then again, bottom and the top to get it really nice and strong results. Happy with this one, cameraman? Not yet, yeah? Not as strong.
It depends of the
angle. Yes, absolutely. So we are going to work through it a little bit more. There we are. Is it better?
Yes, it's more stronger.
Even stronger. There we are. That's a nice one now. Okay, let's cook it. And then the last one. So that's our step number 1. And then I'm going to show you quickly a step number 2. It's actually not that time consuming. You can see it, how many nails we have done. So it's really not as time consuming. So I have checked what color I've got on brush, and orange goes on the orange side and this color go on the other side. And you can see it, I'm pulling it a little bit lower just so we can have those French manicure. Because the other part is going to be hide, I'm really kind of just removing the excess of the product for my French manicure. Okay, and then do those cat eye. Oh no, I have attached my magnet to the mixing spatula. Here we are. I wanted it really nice and intense again. Perfect. Happy with this one. And then let's move into creating the smile line. So that one is so cool because it's a large tip. So for smile line, we are going to go opposite. Okay, I'm just painting this color on the one side, just like this. And then picking up the scoop of this color on my mixing palette. Other side, I'm just painting this color and again pick up the scoop of the color on my mixing palette. Then using the D-liner brush, we are going to correct the smile line. And just to make our life easier, because you don't want those, so I'm cleaning my brush and a UV cleanser from the previous product I have been using. And because we don't want to clear up the mess, I suggest we just paint the smile line. Okay, so I'm going to keep the smile line painted. Nice and deep one. And color that in. Blend in this place. Using just a small brush, so you're kind of more precise, I would say. Clean the brush again and then pick up the other color and do the smile line on the other side. So check the height of the corner. It's just up to there. You can also make, is it visible more now? You can also turn your twist, turn your tip a little bit so the cat eye disappear from the previous layer, because this way it will be easier to paint the smile line. Can you see it now? So now I've got cat eye, which is making quite hard, but actually it disappears on the smile line. So this is a perfect combination, you know, because then you can see it. And then let's intensify the effect. So we are using again from each side to make it really nice and strong. I've got it now. Perfect one. Okay, so we've got this ombre look with the cat eye. And then another tip, So exactly the same size. I had the orange one. I'm starting with the orange side. So indicate where my smile line is. Paint it, make it the cat eye to disappear a little bit so you can see it, how you want to paint your smile line. Clean the brush, pick up the pink one, blend it, clean the brush, and then do the pure pink. Check the height of the smile line, and then just color it in. I think this is a quickest way. You can see it. We've got the smile line, and then let's intensify the effect. And you can clearly see on the one side we've got one color, on the other side we've got the other color. I want to take a time to get this one nice and perfect. Let's cook it. I think that would be the easiest way to achieve this kind of ombre look. Now again, I've got the pink one, so I'm starting with the pink one. Color it in. Make the smile line to disappear so you can kind of see it, what you're painting. Clean it, pick up the orange one, blend it, clean it, and then just a pure orange on the other side. So I've got blob of the product, I have removed it. I'm checking the height of my smile line. Start this corner and then just join in the smile line. Check it how the smile line looks and then color it in. Okay, this one is a little bit wonky, I can see it. So I'm just touching it up. See, sometimes if we do it the smile line perfect by the first time, it's just perfect, and then the longer you play it, the messier it becomes. But twisting the tip, this angle, make it much easier. And then let's intensify the effect by placing those magnet. Nice and strong one. And then give it a cure. Top coat it, and I want to show you the full set of it because I think it looks cool. And it will be pretty interesting to take this picture as well. Like, I think it's really cool because you've got just a French manicure, and then so top coat in. We could do it also exactly the same like we did it the other ombre, like with the twist. I think that will look pretty nice as well. But I wanted to show you the French manicure without playing too much, because I think like it's quite time, you can see it, it's quite time consuming when we have to clear up the smile line. And this is the really easy way of achieving this look. And you can actually see it, this ombre effect. This one looks awesome, absolutely amazing. Okay, now I'm going to show you all of them. Let me just cook those tips. Yeah, that looks actually really cool. So the thumbnail, nice and pretty, goes in here. I hope I didn't undercure it. That one was, oh gosh, I don't know which one was last, but that will be our index finger. That looks awesome. And then the ring finger. And I want to show you full set because I think it will look absolutely amazing. There we are. It is amazing. Those ombre French. Yeah, I'm sending you glittery hugs and bye for now.